Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to remove language from keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on Samsung keyboard settings. After click on Samsung keyboard setting, click on language and types. After click on language and types, click on manage input language. After click on manage input language, you will see 4 languages here. If you want to remove language from keyboard, so turn off and disable language. After disable language, you will see language is removed. After disable language, go back to home screen. You will see language is removed. So that's how you can remove language from keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.